Want to share your Instagram profile with someone or add it to another social media platform? I've got you covered. In this quick guide, I'll show you 2 simple ways to find and share your Instagram profile link. But first, hit that subscribe button below. It really helps me out. All right, let's dive in. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, open up the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Your username appears at the top left. Mine, for example, is IK Gaming Blog. Now to create your profile link, just open a web browser and type instagram.com/your username. But wait, there's an even quicker way. In Instagram, tap Share Profile next to the Edit Profile button, then hit Copy Link. Boom! You've got your profile link ready to share. If you paste it anywhere, you'll see it follows the same format. Instagram.com/your username. You can remove everything after the question mark for a cleaner look. And that's it. If this helped, smash that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.